Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to block emails on Outlook. Before we start, make sure to like and subscribe. So the first step is to simply go to Outlook, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply select the emails that you want to block. So as you can see, if you want, you can select multiple emails at once, but I only have this one here for now. So the next step is to simply click on these three dots in the top right corner here where it says more options. So when you hover the mouse over it, and then what you're gonna have to do is again hover the mouse over the block button here, and as you can see you have two different options. You have the option to block this specific type of emails. As you can see, you have block and then block the sender. So basically you're gonna block the sender, and that sender will not be able to send you emails anymore. So simply click on block, then click OK, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.